Siddharth bhai ke liye ek baar zordar taaliyan. There he is, ladies and gentlemen. Siddharth Menon is here, of course. Talking about brilliant performances, OTT, films, shorts, whatever she's done, हर बार दिल जीता है. Vidhatri के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Thank you so much, Vidhatri, for being here with us. And now, talking about the man जिनकी vision है, जिसको इस बड़े पर्दे पे हम सब देखने वाले हैं. टीजर को इतना सारा प्यार हम सब ने ऑलरेडी दे दिया है. Paddy sir के लिए मैं चाहता हूं जोरदार तालियां. You know, brilliant career in advertising. एंड वहां भी ना स्टोरीज कहते थे. इट वॉज नॉट अ ब्रांड इंटीग्रेशन की कुछ ऐसे ही बोल दिया. वहां भी बड़ी ब्यूटिफुल कहानियां थी जो इन्होंने हम सब के साथ एंड ग्लोबली शेयर की है. तो पैडी सर इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस फिल्म. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर डूइंग दिस. एंड नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द पर्सन जिन्होंने इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट को बैक किया है. फर्स्ट इंडिपेंडेंट प्रोडक्शन उनका, एंड इससे पहले अलग अलग भाषाओं में we've seen her conquer a lot of these languages with her धांसू performance. इससे पहले कई फिल्मों में अलग अलग भाषाओं में we've seen her, and now as a producer, ladies and gentlemen, presenting Samiksha Oswal. There she is. Thank you, Samiksha, for doing this and so beautifully. I know, we have this amazing crew जिनसे आपको मिलवाएंगे और भी लोगों से मिलवाते रहेंगे. बड़े सारे सवाल, बड़े सारे जवाब. But before that, जिस चीज के लिए आए हैं, with your kind permission, shall we do it, sir? The trailer? All right, the trailer is all yours now, ladies and gentlemen. All eyes on the big screen. Here, Nafisa ma'am, please आइए. Thank you so much. Mandira ji, please आइए. Gitanjali ji, Siddharth Menon. Vidhatri, please आइए आप भी. And Paddy sir, ladies and gentlemen, the director, and of course our producer sahiba, Samiksha Oswal. Please, the stage is all yours. Okay, quickly I'll start with Mandira ma'am because I believe you have a professional commitment and you have to leave. Okay, I'll come there, no? ऐसे कैसे? ऐसे कैसे? Of course. Ladies and gentlemen, Mandira Bedi, we all loved it, right? जो भी देखा हमने स्क्रीन पे, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for her, come on. Ma'am, therapy, healing and emotional conversations seem to be a central theme in this film. How important have these ideas been for you in your personal life? Please tell us.
Oh, very much. Oh, that's a lovely question. I didn't know what to expect when you started with me. But I think therapy and counseling and, digging deeper and finding answers, that's very much been a part of my life. And the first time I went to therapy and the first time I went to a counselor was 20-something years ago. And the only counselor's name and number I had was somebody I'd interviewed on a TV show, and that's how I had a number. And I remember telling my mom, I went for a therapy session. She said, "Why? What's wrong with you?" And I'm like, I needed I needed to air out something. She said, "But you could talk to me." And I'm like, no. I wanted to talk to somebody who's equipped to help me and who's unbiased and who can show me perspective. Yes. And so therapy has very much been a part of my life. And whenever I find anything amiss in my life for a period of time, or I feel off balance, I have gone to a therapist, I've gone to a counselor, and I have benefited greatly. Yep. And when Paddy came to me with this role, it was also at a time when I lost my husband. So in some sense,
We get it, ma'am, of course. There's this thing, I know. Let's just hear it for her, ladies and gentlemen. One of the strongest women that we've known, of course, on screen and off screen. Off screen jo hota hai na, wo bahut.
It was healing for me, and that's why I did it.
I think I have to ask you this. A lot of people say that, seeking professional help, they just shy away from doing that. Yeah. They say कि नहीं therapist क्या है? वो as you said, ma'am told you कि चल मेरे से बात कर. So that happens. What do you have to say to people who just think कि यार मेरे को professional help नहीं चाहिए, अगर मैं वहाँ गई I'll be tagged in a certain manner or.
Unfortunately, in our country, therapy is something taboo and something that oh my God, something is wrong with this person. Yes. And post the pandemic, mental health conversations started, and over the last little while, mental health has become a conversation. Every organization has counselors, every organization has hotlines. So I think it's a conversation that was long overdue. And mental health is not just, अरे आप थोड़ा एक एक्सरसाइज कर लो आप ठीक हो जाओगे या चलो snap out of it. It's not like that. I think we take mental health a lot more seriously than we did, let's say 5 years ago. So I think this movie and the way it unfolds, it has so many wonderful messages. One is that we repeat. We have generational patterns. We parent how we've been parented. I mean, this has so many messages, and we need to take time to process things we've never processed and realize things about ourselves which we've never realized. And sometimes a person on the outside can show you the mirror.
Yes.
A person from the outside can give you perspective. So I'm very, very privileged to be a part of this film. It was a wonderful healing journey for me as well. And it's a beautiful, it's about time it came, and the world, got to see it. So I'm very, very happy for its release, and more power to it, and more power to everybody over here. And
All right, before we wrap this up with you, just one last thing, ma'am. We have to talk about that particular scene where Adil sir's there and he's crying, with his head on your lap. We have to talk about it because that's something that...
No spoilers, please.
I can't tell you everything, but I can tell you that counseling is a journey. The therapy he goes through is a journey. It's a journey that he has to go through to realize a lot of things, to accept a lot of things, and to move ahead with his life. And sometimes in therapy, you reach a point where a realization happens, or you reach a point where you're face to face with something that you haven't dealt with, and you've come face to face with it, and you have no choice but to look at it straight in the eye.
Right.
And that leads to different, emotional upheavals when you experience a moment like that.
Right.
So, I mean, I can't give everything away. That's all I have to say, right? Did I say
So
too much?
Don't
No,
answer that.
no, that's
No?
it.
Don't
Okay.
answer that.
Kept it ambiguous enough?
Perfect.
Good.
All right. So 24th July is when we'll get to experience what she just talked about. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being here.
Thank you very much.
Ladies, that big screen here. What was that one thing that made you say, okay, मुझे ये तो करना ही है? Because we know you're very choosy, and it has to be something impactful, and then only you say yes.
Actually, I told Paddy, I said, I'm in the middle of my cancer and my chemo, and I look bad and I don't want to act. And Paddy said, no, no, no. And he gave me the courage of facing the camera again, irrespective of the trauma my body was going through. So I'm grateful for that. I'm still fighting.
Yes, you're still fighting, and we know that how awesome you are. And जहाँ तक कैमरे के आगे खड़े होने की बात है, मैम, वो gorgeousness थी, है और हमेशा रहेगी. नफीसा मैम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Talk to us about this amazing cast here. It's an ensemble that people are talking about कि एक से बढ़ के एक लोग हैं. How was it working with all of them?
Mainly it's about young people. Gen Z, what are you?
You're the youngest one. Absolutely.
But it's so important, and Paddy's vision of making this film, and I think the producer, Mrs. Oswal, has created a subject which today in our world we need to see. There's too much of aggression, violence, and I think the wrong messages. This film is a film that connects, and I really hope that the young generation, which is over 28 years of age, are young, and the rest of us are old. So it's important that young people have a philosophy and have an avenue of thinking about important things. And that's what this film is about. So I enjoyed working in it. I enjoyed being spoiled. And I enjoyed my co-star. It's really a journey of life. It's a journey that needs to be seen not only in theaters, because most of us sit in OTT platforms. We all sit at home. I really hope and pray that this film becomes an OTT, a commitment for good cinema, because this is a good film.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ma'am, no, you keep this. This is for you. Ladies and gentlemen. I need to talk to you. You're playing a musician. So, of course, I excelled in each and every role of yours. Here, did you have to like do some extra prep for this? Like,
No, 550 is only numbers if I count down, which will be really closer to the heart. It's very less, and Max Min is one of them. After 550 films, it's not about adding numbers, adding your bank balance. You know, it's all, as you get old, you look for moments to retain. So I have been busy in South. When this film came, Paddy, I told I have to be there, but I was committed to another film. It's my manager, who's my wife. She said, you are doing this film, and she did. That's why I'm here. Thank you, Paddy, for giving wonderful moments. I can remember each and every day we shot, because it was not like a film set. We never behaved like film stars. None of us were stars, but
Or all of us are.
all of us. So it was a wonderful moment, and Paddy. I have to thank Paddy for so many things, because he was able to give the strength, the clarity, the commitment, everything. He, without talking that directly, he kept us. This film is very important to me because it talks about 3 generations. I know when I saw Adil Hussain, my son, on the screen, I remembered my father, because he used to take all the decision. I never wanted to become an actor, and never. Okay, I was in Air Force. I was working for a hotel, and he pushed me. He said, "You are becoming an actor." So I saw my father in Adil Hussain. That's why I gave all the freedom to my grandson, Siddharth. It's wonderful. There are 2 things in the film. One is micro level and macro level. If you see micro level, it's about the human relationship, how we are differing with each other, how we are trying to fall in it, and macro level, it is about how this nation is going towards and what can be done. So it is not only a story, as Nafisama said, it is a journey. I think that's what we all went through. Thank you, Samiksha, for making this film, because it's very hard to find a producer to make a sensible film. And so we all thank you. Thank you, Paddy. And thanks to my all colleagues, and especially Nafisa ji. I had to prepare myself, because my wife said, "What is she?" Because she is women understand. So she said she's that and she's that. She's a sportswoman. She's a pageant, and she's a politician. She's a thing. Sorry, why you are giving me so many information? I have to, perform together in the same frame. Then the moment I saw a wonderful, beautiful child, I should say. See, such a great woman, where These are the great moments where you have to kill your ego. The first shot, we are getting prepared, and we are standing together. I'm all, with all this, not fear, something kind of a great respect. I'm standing. She came and told me, said, Nazir sir, I don't remember anything about films. After a very long time, I'm coming for the first time. Can you please help me, sir, to go ahead? Nobody can, no actor wants to tell this, right? No actor, even if.
How did it all start for you?
Hello. Yes. First of all, thank you so much for all your kind words. Yeah, you've given me enough warmth for the rest of the year. I think it's lovely. Thank you so much. And बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सबको. So this came to me at a very at a time when I was very lost and confused when it came to my career. I really did not know where I was, and people were finding more reasons to not take me than to take me. It's not that anybody was being rude or anything. It's just the way the business is. And here came one beautiful soul, Paddy, and out of the blue, really, out of the blue, he just called me and he said, I want to narrate something to you. And 3 hours on a Zoom call, and I was moved. That narration itself was a therapy session for me. I mean, and everybody will agree, the way Paddy narrates, and he writes so beautifully. Every comma on the page, every exclamation mark, every pause is intended, and we just had to show up, honestly, really, and take this emotion. जो पेज के ऊपर से वो कूद रहा था, मतलब, तो मैंने actually कुछ नहीं किया, मैंने बस उसको surrender किया. And I remember making a note मेरे दिमाग में कि अगर audience को जो उस narration में मुझे feel हुआ, वो अगर audience feel करेगी, तो then we have done our job. So वो mission था. Apart from that, this boy is such a nice, ऐसे किरदार मेल किरदार लिखते नहीं है लोग enough, who are not afraid, who's not afraid to be vulnerable, who's not afraid to cry, who's not toxic at all.
Right.
No matter what he's gone through or what he's going through. And I'm very happy that Max is a character which is representing the younger generation, because I'm also part of that, and I work with a lot of people who are way younger than me, like 10 years, 12 years. And when I see them, I see Max. बहुत बार हम लोग जनरेशन को बहुत गाली देते हैं, ये कैसी जनरेशन है, वो कैसी, वो हर एक जनरेशन के साथ होता ही है. But I have big hopes for the younger generation. I think they're going to change the world, and they are, slowly and silently. And Max is a representative of that. And that was.
Quickly, if you have to talk about, chilling on sets with the gentleman here, of course.
I have to. I'm a South Indian, okay, and when I got to know that Nasir sir is going to play my grandfather, I have called my entire family and said that, guess who I'm working with, guess who I'm working with. I think there is, we chilled a lot. You saw वो scene देखा, end में we are on the bed. So I'll tell a small little kissa. We were shooting that scene, and we never moved out of the bed. Shot एक हो जाता है, and then the camera shifts, the setup shifts, so 5-7 minutes go. But we never exited the room. We were lying down, And between every setup change, both me and Nasser sir were taking power naps with each other like this. And then they would come and say, Siddharth sir, Nasser sir, shot ready. Ready, ready, ready. And then, so it was that simple. Sir, you're such a great man. I mean, because he works like as if it's his first time. And he was talking about shedding ego and, all of this. I think everybody, even Adil sir, Vidhatri, all of us, I think we belong to the same school in the sense that the work that we do, in between action and cut, we do not exist. We are irrelevant at that point. Only these people exist at that. And that just happens, So we were all with that happening. And that is what is translated here, I believe.
Thank you so much for
Thank
sharing
you.
all of that.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, ek baar zordar thalia. Of course, now moving on to Vidhatri. Vidhatri, everybody's, they have these emotional stories related to this film. Because we don't usually see this. We have fun kiya. We were there, we had fun and all that. This is there in your hearts. So what did you feel while filming for this? And how is it going to, be there with you forever, if at all?
Wow, that's a nice question. It's just taken me back to the shooting days. So, honestly, for me, when I was working on this film, firstly, it didn't feel like shoot for me. Like how Sid mentioned that, like we all just got along so well. And about the emotional journey, I think for me initially was very challenging because Carol as a character is written so beautifully by Paddy, and she is the kind of person who basically deals with all the storms in her life with so much grace, joy, confidence, and warmth that for me to be able to relate to that character initially was very challenging. It's because I was personally going through a devastating loss. I had lost my dad, and we had got into prep literally a week and a half after he passed away. And so in the beginning, it was very like, I was having a hard time to find Carol's light because I was struggling to find my own. And sometimes as actors, we put a little bit of ourselves also into the character, and I was unable to do that initially. But I give that entire credit to Paddy because he did not give up on me. Like, he held my hand throughout the shoot. And I'm so grateful for that. And Sid, like, he's one of the best co-actors I could have asked for, because on set at times I used to just blank, and I could not at times I wouldn't be able to even like perform on some days, but these guys were just amazing to work with, and forever grateful for this experience. And my biggest takeaway actually playing this character would be the fact that no matter how much ever happens in your life, when the whole world is just pushing you to shut down, you can always choose happiness, warmth, and joy. And that is what I learned from Carol, and that is what I hope that people take away from the film.
I'm sure they will. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ladies and gentlemen, July 24th is when we'll get to watch this film in theatres. I'll come to the producer Sahiba, the gorgeous producer Sahiba, and of course Paddy sir. But before that, Gitanjali ji, thank you so much for being a part of this. We have to talk about the fact that we all know you're a globally renowned animator, director, but here as an actor, do you enjoy being in front of the camera more, or is it like, directing more? And how was the experience here?
Being in front of the camera is good fun, and it's easy and it's enjoyable.
Right.
Being behind the camera is much tougher, but it has its own rewards. So I like playing both. It has its own ups and downs.
Right. So one takeaway from this entire thing, the journey of this film, if there is something for you.
Actually, when I didn't know Paddy before doing this film, and through a friend, I got to speak to him, and I read the script, and the script was beautiful. I was struggling with writing a script for my own film, and there are times where you feel how easily or how beautifully this person writes, coming from nowhere. So the script was beautifully written. It's not. I mean, I looked at it more as a director than the part that I would be playing. So when I read the script, I said, this is a beautiful script, plus it has a cat, and I love cats. all my animation films have cats, but in none of my live action films did I act with a cat. Not that I got to act with a cat, but I'm in a film with a cat. And I really, first thing I asked him is not even my role and all. I said, how are you going to get this cat to act in your film? I mean, that was more of a mystery for me and more something which is intriguing as directors. But apart from that, yeah, I think the first day when I went for a reading, I had a scene with Adil Hussain. And Adil Hussain is like somebody I really look up to. And he's a great actor. So I was very nervous. And I went for a reading. I don't think Paddy even figured out that I'm nervous. But at the end of the reading, he just made me feel very comfortable. And so did Adil, saying, you're quite natural. What you've done is like good. It changed a lot when I was finally shooting, but the comfort which Paddy, understanding me as a director, not an actor, put me through, and Adil did, and my scenes were mostly with him only, was what eased me into the role, made me feel very comfortable. And I've got a very tiny role in the film. I'm very surprised to be sitting over here also, but that's Paddy's generosity, you know, like it's not, like he said, it's not a small role. But yes, I'm playing in an autobiographical sense, his mother. So that means a lot.
Thank you so much for sharing that. Thank you so much. And now moving on to the man who's done it all, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, Paddy sir ke liye ek baar zordar taliyan. No. I'm keeping the, I don't want to say the best for the last, but still, I'll come to you. Paddy sir, first things first, we have to talk about this title, बड़ी सारी curiosity है इसके around Max Min and Miyazaki. Talk to us about it. How did you say कि okay, this is what I want to name my film?
Yeah. Okay. See, I'm a South Indian, and my name is there. I don't think anyone will remember it when they leave because it's Padma Kumar Narasimha Murthy. Yes. I've grown up, feeling deep and acute sympathy for all South Indians with long names like this, and which is why like Padma Kumar becomes Paddy. Ramakrishnan becomes Ramki, yes. Akhileshan becomes Alex, So, and I'm from advertising, so we've, been giving names to products, to brand ingredients, and, materials and stuff like that. So, we are obsessed with names,
yes.
And, so I did want to write a film about this South Indian community, people, it's about a lot of people, of course, in this film, but yeah. So I gave the lead character the most trite and boring name ever, Mahesh Mahadevan. Okay? And then I thought, what would Mahesh do to make his name sound a little less trite? Right? So then I said, okay, Max. All right? Maybe that's a good idea. And of course, my kids are big Miyazaki fans. My daughter's here. And yeah, so I used to always say, when we get a cat, we'll call the cat Meowzaki. So I had Max and Meowzaki, and then I thought it would be cute to bring a woman into the mix called Min, So that's how it all, so the name, of course, it just has some playful, background to it, if you like, advertising, beleaguered South Indians with boring names, unglamorous, all of that, and some innate coolness, I guess.
Right. Talking about coolness, we know the movie's gotten a lot of love globally. Talk to us about that, because advertising professionals, awards, they go hand in hand. But here for a feature film, you've got so much love, and that too from across the globe. Talk to us about that, please.
That was crazy, because when we made the film, we didn't really look at it as being this art house, award-winning. It isn't also, It has 3 songs. Actually, it has 4 songs, 3.5 songs. Okay, and so we were like, okay, it's a film, it's an entertainer, it's going to be a sweet, feel good, that kind of thing. But luckily, a programmer who had seen my first film, A Billion Color Story, she's a Japanese woman called Kyoko Dan. She called up and she said, Adil told me you have a new film. I said, yeah, Kyoko, but it's not one of these festival art house type films. No, just shut up and send it to me, she said. I sent it to her and she said, I love it. Okay, and because it has a Miyazaki connection, let's have it open the Tokyo Film Festival. So I said, whoa, wonderful, lovely. Then she said, you know what, Busan's a much bigger festival. Let's send it to Busan. So that's where we had our world premiere. And then from that point on, it just started. And the moment it gets picked up at Busan, it kind of, then people, their attentions kind of peak. And then we re-edited the film a little, and then sent it to Palm Springs, where it made Best of Fest. And then from that point on, it was kind of, but the best thing I feel is that in a lot of these festivals, we had repeat viewings. There are people who came up and said, hey, we're watching it for the second time, we're watching it for the third time. At Palm Springs, they asked us for an extra screening, So that was really, really quite lovely. And since then, I've had, I'm not really much of a social media star or anything, but I've had messages from people everywhere saying, when's your film coming out?
Right.
So I guess, that's huge affirmation.
Right.
So yeah, that is quite lovely. So festivals, one thing about festivals is that you get to meet a lot of very interesting people. You see some inspiring cinema.
Yes.
All of that. So yeah, that's really how it was. And of course, Samiksha and I, we went to Busan together, and she was about to have a baby, and she came, and we had a Sid, Adil, we were all there. It was just quite insane, and Busan's one of those places where people love filmmakers.
Yes.
They give you so much love. They treat you like royalty.
And we're going to do that here too. Yes.
I just want to add one thing, please. ये audience के लिए है. Busan हम लोग गए थे, South Korea. We all know how big South Korea is in India or all over the world.
Yes.
I'm very proud to say that the South Koreans have loved our film and loved it how. So since they have loved the film, I'm sure all the youngsters will take a cue and watch our film. That's all I want to add.
We get a lot of love, of course.
Yeah, we got a gazillion Korean hearts when we were there.
Wow.
It was like a sea of Korean hearts.
Amazing.
I got messages from people on Instagram, like random accounts from there. And initially, I was very confused. I was like, where am I getting these messages from? And then I'm like, oh yeah, they had a screening. So yeah, so that was really.
This is fabulous, sir.
The other thing is that the South Koreans, they take the pain to learn your name. Okay? And they never called me Paddy. They all just called me Patuma Kuma Nahathima Murthy. That's how they call me. All of them. So but it is respectful, it's nice in a way.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Padma Kumar Narasimha Murthy. Paddy sir, of course, thank you so much for making such a beautiful film. And जो लोग पूछ रहे हैं, 24th is when the movie releases in theaters. Now, moving on to our producer Saiba, the gorgeous actor, director, and now a producer. Samiksha, thank you so much for doing this. First things first, please हमें बताइए कि क्या था ज़हन में that you thought कि okay, I want to back this project.
First of all, I would like to say first thanks to Paddy for bringing this script to me. Actually मैंने ये manifest किया था जब मैंने Paddy की film देखी थी मुंबई फिल्म फेस्टिवल में Billion Color Story. I said how beautiful this film is. मुझे तब मैं producer नहीं थी, I was into acting. लेकिन फिर भी मेरा दिल किया कि मैं ऐसी फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करूं who talks about love. उस फिल्म में बहुत जो आजकल हो रहा है कास्टिज्म, वर्ल्ड इज फॉलिंग अपार्ट, लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, तो दैट फिल्म इज फ्रॉम अ चाइल्ड्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. तो मेरे मन में था कि कभी मैं पैडी के साथ काम करूं, एंड गॉड मैनिफेस्टेड दैट dream of giving me a chance to be a producer, to bring those stories forward. I think it's my father-in-law's blessings as well. He produced Pinjar. So Pinjar was, I hope all of you have seen that film. So when I discussed this with my family, they said make something sensible. So मुझे लगा कि ये सब हमारी कल्चरल स्टोरीज तो फिर भी बहुत आ गई हैं, लेकिन हम लोगों की आपस की स्टोरी, हमारे खुद के रिलेशनशिप में हर किसी के घर में एक स्टोरी है, तो वो सब हम उसको इम्पोर्टेंस ही नहीं देते हैं, एंड वी जस्ट गो फॉर इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. हम जैसे फास्ट फूड खा लेते हैं, उस टाइम तो मज़ा आता है, लेकिन बाद में हमें लगता है कि आवर बॉडी नीड्स सम नरिशमेंट. आई फील दिस फिल्म इज़ लाइक अ नरिशमेंट टू योर हार्ट. So when you watch this film, you feel as if you have not wasted your 2-3 hours of time in life. You are gaining something out of it. उससे इतना अच्छा आप मैसेज लेके जाते हो अपनी फैमिली के लिए कि अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू कम बैक टू योर फैमिली, टू द लव, टू द होप, to moving ahead with in spite of all these challenges we face every day. And okay, then I told my family, especially Shell, I told him that let's make something which is not like a newspaper, which is not just instant, momentarily लोगों को पढ़ के बस मज़ा आ जाए. Let's make something which is like a book in a library, which people keep it forever. They want to show it to your generations. So we all were like very convinced, whether it does commercially good or not, we just pass on a very good message. That's it.
And it's definitely going to stay with the people who are going to watch it. रहेगा वो उनके साथ हमेशा हमेशा के लिए. इतना कमाल का एफर्ट यहाँ दिख रहा है. एक इससे पहले कि हम अपने जो मीडिया के एमिनेंट जर्नलिस्ट हैं उनके सवाल लें, एक क्विक चीज़, इफ़ यू हैव टू टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस कास्ट, बिकॉज जो जिनको आपने कास्ट किया है उनको देखने के लिए यू नो वी ऑल आर लाइक रियली एक्साइटेड टू वॉच देम परफॉर्म ऑन दैट बिग स्क्रीन. क्या बोलना चाहेंगी, स्टार्टिंग विद मैम?
I'll just say I'm very thankful to her. In spite of all the people, unluckily or whatever, they all were going through some or the other challenges in their life. Like Mandira said, her husband passed away just a month before the film started shooting. We started shooting. Now her father is not well, but she still took out time to come for promotions. And Nafisa ji had her first surgery, a very big surgery. She battled cancer, and yesterday she flew with me. and I can't say thank you enough to her. And she took her bone marrow injection, and a few days back she had her chemo, and she was ready to travel to pass on this message of love. And what else I can say? Everybody, all of us, you have seen how much they love this film, and how much these people are just not actors. They are much more than this. Their strength of their character, their experiences in life, and they are beautiful human beings, I would say. I have got a lot from this film.
She said it. She's just summarized the entire thing. Thank you so much for sharing that. And I know आप लोगों के बड़े सारे सवाल हैं. So let's take your questions now.
Hi, Bhavna Sharma, Nav Bharat. I can't express myself in English very well.
No problem.
So that, yeah. तो पद्मा जी, मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि पहले तो हमें भी जो आपने बताया फिल्म का जो नाम है उससे ऐसा लगा था कि ये मेट्रो सेंट्रिक स्टोरी होगी, लेकिन ये तो सिंगल थिएटर्स में भी अच्छा बिजनेस करेगी, क्योंकि इसमें हर जनरेशन को जितनी खूबसूरती से दिखाया है, तो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे जो अनुराग बसु ने मेट्रो में किया है हर जनरेशन को, उस तरह की खूबसूरत फिल्म है. तो उसके लिए तो मैं बधाई देना चाहूँगी. लेकिन मैं आपसे जो सवाल करना चाहती हूँ कि इस फिल्म में जो स्टोरी, स्क्रीन प्ले एंड डायलॉग्स सारे आपके हैं, तो एज अ डायरेक्टर आपको जब एडिटिंग हो रही होगी तो उस समय कितना डिफ़िकल्ट था, कितना चैलेंजिंग था अपनी स्क्रिप्ट को कट करना?
हाँ, वो बहुत मुश्किल होता है. बहुत मुश्किल होता है. एंड इनफैक्ट जो हमारा जो फर्स्ट एडिट था वो 3 घंटे से भी ऊपर था. लेकिन देखिए, द थिंग इज, डोंट लाफ, हाँ, बिकॉज आई विल टेक यू बैक टू जस्ट 25 years ago when दिल चाहता है रिलीज्ड. उसकी रनिंग लेंथ है 3 hours and 6 minutes. ओके, और अभी भी मार्टिन स्कॉर्सेज़ी के फिल्म्स 4-4 घंटे होते हैं. सो I have this thing. There are many beautiful things that I have cut out of the film. In fact, Samiksha knows. There are such. No, but if we all, तो आपके पास मेरी बेटी बैठी है, Gaia. She sang in this film. So she said, उसको मैंने first cut दिखाया था, उसको और उसके friends को, all the young Gen Zs. उन्होंने बोला, don't cut a minute of this. And there are many performance moments इतने सारे हैं. So it's not about just cutting my story. वो तो कट हो ही जाएगी. आई एम फ्रॉम एडवर्टाइजिंग, राइट?
Yeah, yeah.
तो हमारा तो बुचरी चलता रहता है. लेकिन ये जो है, the performance moments are so beautiful. Like आदिल के scenes, सिड के scenes, नफीसा के moments जो हैं, Nasir sir के, there are nuances that Vidhatri is given. There are even moments of where Geetanjali, she says it's a small role, but she's there right through the film. But the difficulty is to say, oh, this moment, this performance from this actor is award worthy. Am I doing them an injustice by cutting it? Because so many people come together, right, to make a film. So that is more difficult. Story तो you know, as a writer you know कि इस scene के बिना story चल जाएगी. लेकिन इस performance के बिना, इस moment के बिना, is the story still as rich? That is something that we have to think about. So that is tougher actually.
एक छोटा सा सवाल मैं नफीसा जी से करना चाहूँगी कि आपको हमने जुनून से देखा है, इतनी खूबसूरत, अभी भी माशाल्लाह आप उतनी ही खूबसूरत है, लेकिन आपने जो दूसरी चीज़ें की हैं, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, उनका उसमें तो आपका कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं है. आपने इतना सोशल वर्क और इतना अच्छा वर्क किया है. आप राज्यसभा में भी रही हैं, तो मुझे आप ये बताइए कि एक्टिंग आपके लिए जुनून से लेके अब तक इतना सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग आपके लिए कौन सा रोल था? अगर हम वो करें तो मेट्रो में भी आप थी धर्मेंद्र जी के साथ.
चैलेंज, आई थिंक एवरी रोल इज चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी, क्योंकि मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
जी जी, आप इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं.
मगर इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि पिक्चर का जो मकसद है, मैसेज है, वो लोगों तक पहुँचे, दिल छुए. दैट हैज़ बिन माई जर्नी. और बहुत कम पिक्चर किए हैं इन द सेंस, बट इम्पॉर्टेंट पिक्चर. तो इसलिए आई डोंट कॉल माई सेल्फ नॉट इवन एन एक्टर, आई कॉल माई सेल्फ कॉमिट. आते रहते हैं कभी कभी. और एंड द इंडस्ट्री हैज़ बिन वेरी काइंड टू मी, क्योंकि जब भी मेरे लिए एक मौका है जो मेरे को सूट करते हैं, द डायरेक्टर इतने प्रेशर से हमको कन्विंस करना पड़ता कि आओ आओ आओ. दैट इज़ वाई आई एम स्टिल हियर टुडे, स्टिल स्टैंडिंग.
Hi team, this is Vanshaj. On your right, guys. Hi, this is Vanshaj from Filmfare. First of all, the trailer looks very wholesome, very sweet. My question is for Siddharth. So we discussed the talented stars in this ensemble film, but I have to talk about the cutest star of this film, Miyazaki. So every actor has a memorable moment while filming with animals, right? So what was your memorable moment while working with?
Oh wow, so many. I think 15 days I shot with Miyazaki. By the way, Miyazaki's stage name is Radha.
How sweet.
So, and I miss her, yaar. I'm actually I have so many photos, and I think I should post all of those BTS moments with Radha. But you know, moment I can't remember a moment, but I think Radha was the most one of the most professional actors I have worked with. She was magical. You know, script में लिखा होता था कि Miyazaki is sleeping. Radha would actually sleep. You know, okay, Miyazaki has to run from here. She would actually run like she was an evolved being in herself. You know, yeah. Actually, there is this one moment in the film. So, as you have all seen, my character Max is allergic to cats, and I am not allergic to cats. But I remember in one scene, I was sneezing so much, and with every sneeze, you know, she was looking at, like, she was giving me this.
Those cat judgy looks.
हाँ, वो ये तू क्या कर रहा है, मतलब तू कभी कभी छींक रहा है, कभी कभी नहीं छींक रहा है, कभी भी बहुत प्यार कर रहा है, कट शॉट होता है तो तू नहीं. So we had an intense little relationship. It was quite amazing.
Thank you.
Thanks for this question.
Hello, ma'am. Nafisa, ma'am. I'm Anjulika from the Trending Times. Ma'am, you have been an icon on the screen and warrior in real life. And we salute your spirit and we love you for that.
I still need your support.
Yes, ma'am. So my question to you is, while shooting for this film, which looks like a slice of life, like it's not really a staged kind of a film, did you remember anybody from your own life or any incidents from your life while shooting this film?
If I tell you, then you'll know the story. So you have to watch the movie, because my character is a reality of today's world. And therefore, sensitivity to elders is so important. And picking up signs on how to understand that elders are not able to sometimes cope on their own. It's so important to understand the responsibility young people have. You cannot all just disappear from their lives when they've given you everything, and when they grow old, you cannot just be too busy. You know, that's the importance of this film. It's a journey of the youth and a sensitivity of the grace of understanding aging.
I would like to, I just remembered one scene from Deepika Padukone's film where Amitabh Bachchan was there. Piku, I think he said, इस उम्र में माँ बाप को जिंदा रखना पड़ता है. Like, you know, children have to make an effort to keep their parents alive. कि वो जिंदा रहना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन उनको जिंदा रखना पड़ता है. Probably you are also saying the same thing, the
Yes.
sensitivity.
It's a message to all children, even my own.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Love you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ladies and Reload Media. My question is for Nasser sir. We have seen many times in a South Indian movie. So how was your experience in Hindi movie?
Yeah. It is most of the time I act in Tamil film and next Telugu and all the other South Indian movies. But it's nice to work in other language films. I love Bombay. I love working in Hindi film. I can see they are more organized. You know, the script is given, we have a reading, we have a discussion with the director or the author. So everything is very organized, or at least the projects I have done. And this film particularly, I have done big films, but this kind of films, it's wonderful. You know, rarely it happens where, as I said, we were never stars. We were all actors together. It was like almost like a theater group.
Yeah.
You know, everybody helping each other. That's how all the films should be done. Okay. So it's nice to be in Bombay in the films. Now almost any Indian language film has become a pan-Indian film. It has become global. So there is no more language barrier. So I love Bombay. I love the technicians.
And I love his Hindi accent.
My Hindi accent, yes, I am bit.
We are well suited.
So if you see all my characters which I have done in Hindi films, they will change it to a South Indian actor.
Excellent.
I'm sorry. Sometimes later, I hope I pick up my accent of Hindi.
We love you as you are.
Just give one punchline in Hindi language. We want to listen your accent.
I'm sorry.
हेलो मेरा सवाल समीक्षा जी से है यहाँ पर अमजद फ्रॉम मल्टी स्टार इस तरह के डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट स्पेशली एनिमल पे जो फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं तो आपको नहीं लगा कि आप रिस्क ले रहे तो ऐसा क्या रीज़न था जो मतलब आपने सिलेक्ट किया इस सब्जेक्ट को
रिस्क ले रहे हैं तभी रिस्क ही तो लेना था लाइफ में यही मैंने बताया कि हम कुछ नरिशिंग बनाना चाहते थे कुछ अच्छी एक बुक बनाना चाहते थे लाइब्रेरी में जो हमेशा लोगों के पास रहे हर जनरेशन इसको देख सके इसको अप्रिशिएट कर सके और जब आप इसको देखते हैं मूवी को जैसे इसमें कैरेक्टर्स हील होते हैं आपकी खुद की भी हीलिंग होती है यू लर्न सो मैनी थिंग्स यू अभी भी whenever मतलब मैं इस मूवी के कई डायलॉग्स के बारे में सोचती हूँ, आई गेट ओवरवेल्म्ड. वो चीज़ें तुम्हारी को कई खुशी देती हैं. हमने जब बुसान में हम प्रीमियर कर रहे थे, आई टुक अ वीडियो ऑफ एवरीबडी एंड आई सॉ पीपल, कोई हंस रहे हैं, कभी रो रहे हैं. Unknowingly they were so involved in the film. That's what is needed. You should not feel like eating popcorns or going in between.
मेरा दूसरा सवाल विद्यार्थी से है. यहाँ पर वहीं इस फिल्म में आपको ऐसा स्पेशल क्या लगा, इंटरेस्टिंग, जो आपने ये पिक्चर सिलेक्ट की, स्क्रिप्ट या आपका कैरेक्टर या स्टार कास्ट का जो एक.
मुझे पहली बात तो मुझे स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी लगी. मुझे याद है जब पैडी नरेट कर रहे थे तो मैं तभी टांगी भर गया था, मैं रो रही थी, रोए जा रही थी. और फिर दूसरी बात ये थी कि मतलब मुझे लगा कि ये बहुत ही अलग कैरेक्टर है. मैंने कभी ऐसे कैरेक्टर कभी प्ले नहीं किया, क्योंकि इसके पहले मैंने एक मलयाली प्ले किया, पंजाबी प्ले किया, तो इसमें मैं कैथोलिक प्ले कर रही हूँ, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत एक्साइटिंग था. और बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली कैरेक्टर, मतलब एक्चुअली बोला जाए तो मैंने ये कैरेक्टर आई थिंक मैनिफेस्ट किया है, क्योंकि मैंने एक्चुअली पहले मिन के लिए ऑडिशन दिया था, उसमें मैं शॉर्टलिस्ट हुई थी. हाँ, फिर बाद में जब मैंने सिनॉप्सिस पढ़ा तो मुझे लगा यार मुझे कैरल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, आई वांट टू ऑडिशन फॉर कैरल, एंड आई लिटरली गॉट अ कॉल फॉर ऑडिशन टू ऑडिशन फॉर कैरल अ वीक लेटर, एंड देन आई गॉट लॉक्ड. तो आई फील लाइक आई रियली मैनिफेस्टेड दिस कैरेक्टर. सो या, तो मुझे बस स्क्रिप्ट, वो बहुत ही सॉलिड स्क्रिप्ट है, और कैरेक्टर तो मतलब और ही बहुत अच्छा है, तो आप देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा.
इस फिल्म में मैं बोल रहा हूँ, विधात्री is a standout performer in this film. I mean, she's one of my favorite performers. This is one of my favorite performances of in a while by a young female actor, for sure. I mean, I'm glad you didn't do Min. I'm glad you did Carol, because you were fabulous.
All right, we'll take one last question, okay? Ji.
Yeah, hello, this is Shilpa here, and my channel name is Shilpa Chauhan 22. My question is for Paddy. Where did the idea for this movie first come from to you?
Yeah, you know, well, to start with, I wanted to write a film that makes me feel good, you know. We're all, I mean, as writers, we write a lot of intense stuff, and, you know, we are feeling about the zeitgeist and what's going on in the country and the world and that kind of thing. So I wanted to make a film that made me feel really mushy inside, you know. So I started with that, and then of course we're all ambitious people. We want to talk to everybody, you know. We want to talk to the whole world, and I wanted to write something that felt like a nice warm embrace, you know, from me and everybody here to the audience. And yeah, so, and yeah, you know, having been born and brought up in Bombay, I know Bombay really well, you know. So I belong to this milieu, I belong to this demographic. So I wrote about what I knew, and of course, there's one thing, you know, most people, most of the youth, you know, we have experienced generational, what do you call it, mismatches, if you like, misunderstandings. You know, I've had those with my parents, I've had those with my kids, but we've bridged it. We decided to, you know, not perpetuate certain cycles. So I felt that this was an opportunity to tell a story about that. I actually started off writing a rom-com, and then, but you can't just write a rom-com, right? It's about people, it's about relationships. Okay. So what happens with the people in that rom-com? What is their life like? So somewhere there, the story kind of evolved, you know. It started off.
Can I answer your question? मेरा बहुत दिल कर रहा है बताने को. मुझे पता था Paddy will not reveal. इसमें जो कैरेक्टर है मैक्स, he is allergic to cat fur. तो लेकिन वो स्टेरॉइड डालता है, 3 साल तक अपने स्टेरॉइड ले रहा है ताकि अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड को खुश रख सके. And we open the film with the breakup. जब वो both of them are falling apart. तो मैं बता रही थी कि ये किसकी स्टोरी है. ये मैक्स यही है.
In a small way, in a very small
way.
I sneeze.
Daughter is here. I just asked him, can I reveal? He said no. Sorry, Gaya.
मैं सवाल पूछूं मेरे पर
Gaya liked, she likes cats, and she liked one blind cat, and she wanted to take it home. And Paddy had such a loving father. He was using steroids to keep that cat. Yeah.
So the irony of this film is that in reality I am allergic to fur and Sid is not. And I'm playing a cat sitter, popping Allegra and just hoping for the best. So there is a scene in the film you all will see where there's a full sneeze attack going on. I literally had that in the bathroom. And I came out and I pretended like it's all okay, it's all great, because obviously I didn't want to reject the cats. I didn't want them to think that I'm rejecting them. And Sid is acting and I was going through that in reality. So I just wanted to add that because I'm with
we
you.
all encounter our destiny on the path we take to avoid it.
Yes.
हेलो
All right, आइए सर.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल, मैं समझता हूँ इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का आखिरी सवाल है जो गीतांजलि मैडम से पूछना चाहता हूँ मैं. मैम क्या हाथ में माइक है? हाँ, मेरा सवाल इस तरह से है, जो गर्मजोशी यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रही है, फिल्म के ट्रेलर में देखने को मिल रही है, इतने पेनफुल माहौल में से गुजरने के बाद कुछ एक्टर्स जो स्क्रीन पे देखने को मिल रहा है वो बहुत ही उम्दा है, कहीं से लगता ही नहीं. ये फिल्म मैं समझता हूँ कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी भी है साथ साथ. तो शूटिंग के दौरान का माहौल किस तरह से रहा, कुछ उसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगी?
एक्चुअली मैं आई थिंक 2 ही दिन शूट किया है फिल्म में, और 3 ही दिन, लेकिन
कुछ पल कुछ लम्हे भी बहुत होते हैं.
हाँ नहीं, या बेस्ट पार्ट वाज पहले दिन में मिस्टर नासर एंड सिद्धार्थ के साथ फैमिली रोल किया था, एंड दूसरे 2 दिन आदिल हुसैन के साथ किया था. तो यस, आई एम ऑलमोस्ट, मतलब मैंने कभी एक्टिंग ज़्यादा किया नहीं है, लेकिन टू वर्क विद सच गुड एक्टर्स ओवर 3 डेज, एक तो बात है कि कोई भी स्टार काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग नहीं था इन दिस फिल्म. मैंने दूसरी फिल्म्स में भी एक्ट किया है, एंड आई नो देयर आर स्टार्स, एंड स्टार्स का एक माहौल होता है, वो जैसे बिल्कुल नहीं था. एंड एज दे ऑल सेड, एक थिएट्रिकल काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग था वेयर वी वर लेफ्ट अलोन, और हम अपने आप ही घुल मिल गए. तो जो कंफर्ट सीन था, वो मैं थिएटर से आती हूँ तो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि देयर इज कंफर्ट इन द place. There is no stardom and all that. Everybody is an actor, and even people who are working backstage are all equals. So that feeling was there. And then एक और चीज़, जैसे आदिल हुसैन is a very good teacher for acting also. तो मेरा जब उनके साथ सीन चल रहा था, मैं थोड़ा एनर्जी लूज कर रही थी रीटेक्स में, और तब उन्होंने कहा था कि मसल मेमोरी हो जाना चाहिए कुछ चीज़ों का, एंड वो मुझे आज तक याद है, बिकॉज मैं सेल्फ टॉट पर्सन हूँ. मुझे जो भी एक्सपीरियंस में कुछ सीखने को मिलता है वो मैं ज़िंदगी भर कभी भूलती नहीं. और कम्प्लीटली सेल्फ टॉट हूँ, एनिमेशन हो एक्टिंग हो, जो भी, वो मुझे आज तक, उसके बाद मैंने 2-4 फिल्में किए हैं, और वो मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से याद रखा है मैंने, और मैं यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड शायद मिस्टर आदिल हुसैन को पता भी नहीं कि उन्होंने एक्टिंग करते करते टीचिंग कर दिया. So yeah, that was something which was very important, that muscle memory. And then I looked it up, and then I try to emulate it each time I work.
सर एक इसमें ऐड करना,
Please go ahead, sir.
माहौल.
जी प्लीज.
मैंने बहुत सारी फिल्में की है, और बहुत सारे अच्छे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ, प्रोड्यूसर्स के साथ मैंने काम किया है, and a lot of independent cinema with a very shoestring budget. Okay, and this is credit to Samiksha ma'am and Paddy. First of all, Paddy's call, and thank you ma'am for supporting that. अगर हम लोग चाहते थे तो इस फिल्म को 22 दिन में ख़त्म कर सकते थे, ओके, लेकिन हमने वो नहीं किया, क्योंकि Paddy and Samiksha wanted to create an environment which is not pressurizing, which is not like we are running against time, where time is our friend. तो हम दिन में I think max 3 सीन करते थे, max. And this is a very tough call to make for a producer. लेकिन जो आप तारीफ कर रहे हो परफॉर्मेंसेस की वो इसके वजह से है और ये हम भूल जाते हैं यू नो आई मीन इट्स वेरी इजी फॉर मी टू से क्योंकि जो पैसे लगा रहा है दे नो व्हाट इट इज एंड इट इज मनी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे बट थैंक यू मैम फॉर रियली क्रिएटिंग एंड गिविंग अस दैट स्पेस.
Thank you for understanding the pain of it.
No, I'm not a director's actor. I'm a producer's actor. You know me. So yeah.
All right, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And one last thing, Paddy sir, Samiksha ma'am, the entire team, you know, there's a lot of warmth in this. And cinema se zyada, I think this is life. जो आपने उस बड़े पर्दे पे बिखेर दिया. Thank you so much for doing this. 24th July is when we'll get to see the movie. We'll do a couple of
Thank
pictures.
you everyone for coming.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.